CRM reports and dashboards are meant to make decision-making easier for your team. But how do you translate colorful charts and graphs into actionable insights? Hey Insiders, welcome to another Insightly Insights. Today we're talking about drill paths, a powerful feature of Insightly dashboards. Drill paths in Insightly CRM help you quickly and easily drill down into your dashboards, analyzing specific data points at a deeper level. This helps you better understand the data and make smarter decisions. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're a sales leader who wants to understand where in the United States your biggest customers are located, how much they're spending, and which products they're buying. You've got a dashboard here in Insightly with some cards showing your biggest customers, which of your products are responsible for most of your income, and where your customers are located. By reviewing this revenue by state card, you've got a high-level overview of where most of your company's sales are coming from, and can see that California is by far your biggest source of revenue. But you want to get a better understanding of which customers are actually making up that revenue. All you have to do is click on California to drill down. Now you can see a new card that shows all of your customers located in California and their relative spends. But what if we wanted to go even deeper and see what our largest customer is actually buying? By clicking on the company's data set in the card, we can drill down even further and see a breakdown of all the opportunities we closed with this customer. Looking at the drill path, you can see we're 4 layers deep into our drill down and can easily jump back to any point in our journey by clicking on a previous card or dashboard. Based on the unique needs of your business, you can customize your drill paths to enhance your reporting. To get started, click the Actions dropdown and select Edit Drill Path. From here, we can remove or add steps in the drill path, change the order in which cards can be drilled down, or add new cards to the drill path to create an even deeper dive. That's all for this edition of Insightly Insights. Check out Insightly's Help Center to learn more. See you next time.